glamorous city on the French Riviera, renowned for its luxurious lifestyle and stunning scenery. Join us as we explore the main tourist sites, elegant buildings, and picturesque promenades that make Cannes a favorite destination for travelers around the world. Did you know that Cannes was originally a small fishing village before it transformed into the glamorous city we know today? Its rise to fame began in the 19th century when British aristocrats discovered its mild climate and stunning coastline. Today, Cannes is synonymous with luxury and entertainment, attracting millions of visitors each year for events like the Cannes Film Festival and the Cannes Lions International Festival of Creativity. From its star-studded red carpets to its historic landmarks, Cannes continues to captivate travelers with its allure and charm. Explore La Croisette. Take a leisurely stroll along La Croisette, Cannes' famous waterfront promenade lined with palm trees, luxury boutiques, and iconic landmarks like the Palais des Festivals et des Congrès. Escape the hustle and bustle of the city and unwind on Cannes' charming side promenades. From the quaint streets of Le Suquet to the scenic views of Pointe Croisette, these hidden gems offer a tranquil retreat from the glamorous crowds of La Croisette. Take a leisurely stroll, soak in the Mediterranean breeze, and discover the beauty of Cannes off the beaten path. Visite Le Suquet. Climb to the top of Le Suquet, Cannes' old town, for panoramic views of the city and its surrounding coastline. Explore its charming cobblestone streets, historic buildings, and quaint cafes. Cannes is a city of timeless elegance, boasting majestic buildings that reflect its rich history and architectural heritage. From the opulent Hotel Martinez to the historic Carlton Intercontinental, each building exudes luxury and sophistication. Take a leisurely walk through the streets of Cannes and marvel at the grandeur of its classic architecture. Treat yourself to the ultimate luxury experience at Cannes' world-class hotels and restaurants. From Michelin-starred dining to chic rooftop bars, Cannes offers a culinary scene that delights the senses. After a day of exploring, Unwind in the opulent surroundings of one of Cannes's prestigious hotels and savor the flavors of French cuisine at its finest. Cannes isn't just about relaxation, it's also a playground for outdoor enthusiasts. Join the locals as they embrace an active lifestyle, whether it's jogging along the scenic promenade, cycling along the coastal paths, or practicing yoga by the sea. With its stunning natural surroundings and year-round sunshine, Cannes offers endless opportunities for outdoor recreation and wellness. Relax on the beach. Spend a day soaking up the sun on one of Cannes' beautiful beaches, such as Plage de la Croisette or Plage du Midi. Whether you're sunbathing, swimming, or enjoying water sports, Cannes beaches offer something for everyone. Take a boat tour. Discover the stunning coastline of the French Riviera with a boat tour from Cannes. Cruise along the azure waters. Visit nearby islands like Île Sainte Marguerite or Île Saint Honorat, and admire the picturesque scenery along the way. Escape the urban jungle and immerse yourself in the tranquility of Cannes' lush gardens. From the exotic blooms of Parc Floral de la Roseraie to the peaceful oasis of Parc Montfleury, these green spaces offer a welcome respite from the city's hustle and bustle. Take a moment to reconnect with nature and rejuvenate. It is among the most glamorous, expensive, and desirable destinations in the world. A place where the rich and famous meet, where celebrities stalk the red carpet of the Cannes Film Festival, where billionaires enjoy their mega yachts, and for more than 2 centuries, kings and queens have made the Côte d'Azur their summer home.